Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to my channel. This is your girl Messi, and if you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up at the end of the video, and for my returning subscribers, I love you all. So today I have my braids. This is called the stress braid. I did this myself, and I've had this braid for like 3 weeks now, and today I decided to share with you all different ways you can style your distress braids or box braid, any braid you have. This is ideas of different ways you can style it, and this here is my favorite. This one you're seeing right here, this is my favorite style. So don't forget to drop a comment and tell me which is your favorite style in all the style I'm going to display here. This is mine, so drop a comment and tell me which one is yours, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, ignore my facial expression. This is my default look. I call it my default look. So when I'm just me, I wear this look. Yes.